If you've been scrolling YouTube or TikTok lately, you've probably seen it. Silver is about to explode. Buy silver before it's too late. Gold and silver are the only real money left. And so on. So, why is everyone suddenly talking about silver again? And more importantly, should you invest in it? Today, we're breaking down this step by step in simple terms. No hype, no fear, so that you can make up your own mind. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. So with that being said, let's begin. Now, silver usually starts trending during periods of uncertainty. Uncertainty around inflation, currency value, stock market volatility, and global economic tension. When people feel unsure about the future, they often move towards what are called hard assets, things that physically exist and can't be printed. Gold gets most of the attention, but silver tends to follow closely behind. Another big reason silver is all over social media right now is simple. Short-form platforms reward bold emotional claims. Silver to the moon gets more clicks, then diversification takes time. But that doesn't mean silver is bad. It just means the conversation online often lacks context. Now, let's slow things down and talk basics. Silver is unique because it plays two roles at the same time. First, it's a precious metal, like gold. People store it as a form of value and protection. And secondly, it's an industrial metal. Silver is used in electronics, solar panels, medical equipment, batteries, and advanced technology. So unlike gold, which mostly sits in vaults, silver gets consumed. Once it is used in many products, it's difficult or expensive to recover. And that is an important part of the long-term argument for silver. Here's why many investors find silver attractive. It's more affordable than gold. It has a limited supply. It's often seen as a hedge against inflation, and it benefits from growing industrial demand. For beginners, silver also feels more accessible. You don't need a large amount of money to start learning about it, which is why it often becomes the entry metal for new investors. Now, let's talk about the risks that most hype videos don't talk about. Silver is volatile. Its price can rise quickly, but fall just as fast. It can also move sideways for long periods of time, meaning its price doesn't fluctuate as much. This makes short-term price movements very hard to predict, even for professionals. Also, how you invest in silver matters a lot. Physical silver comes with storage and security costs, and paper silver doesn't always behave exactly like the real metal. So silver is not a guaranteed hedge, and it's definitely not a shortcut to fast profits. Now, should you invest in silver? Instead of asking, is silver about to go up? A better question is, where does silver fit into my overall plan? For many people, silver makes the most sense as a small part of a diversified strategy, not as an all-in bet. Understanding your time horizon, long-term versus short-term, is far more important than chasing trends. So that brings us to our conclusion. Silver becomes much more interesting when you stop viewing it as a quick trade and start seeing it as a long-term asset. As technology continues to advance, especially in areas like renewable energy and electronics, the demand for silver is likely to keep increasing over time. From that perspective, silver does have long-term potential. However, if your expectation is to buy low today and sell high in the short term, it would be wise to revisit those expectations. Silver doesn't move on hype alone, and timing the market is far more difficult than most viral videos make it seem. So that way of thinking alone already puts you ahead of most other people. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Finance for Beginners, where we focus on understanding money, not hype. And let me know in the comments, do you see silver as a long-term investment or just another trending asset? Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.